Hi, friends. Good afternoon. Instead of fearing death, we should improve our karmas. Who is a jiva? Individual soul. What happens to us when we die? Vedanta gives most plausible answers to both. Jiva, the individual soul, is a combination of gross, subtle, and casual bodies along with the consciousness. Gross body is a physical body. The subtle body consists of 17 factors, 5 organs of knowledge, 5 organs of action, 5 types of pranas, the mind, and intellect. Then there is the universal consciousness, also called Brahman, Atman. Consciousness is non-dual, single element, Sat, which is always present everywhere, Chit, which is the cause for making the universe sentient, and Anand, pure bliss. It is therefore referred to as Sat, Chit, Anand, Satchitanand. This Brahman, Atman, reflects on our subtle body, which makes us sentient. While the physical and the subtle body of each of us is different, it is the same Atman that shines in every jiva. That is why every human being is a divine being. A person who has a sattvic mind gets better reflection of consciousness, which makes him happy always. Bliss is therefore dependent on the purity of our mind. When we die, there is no question of Atman dying because it is Sat. Atman is always shining everywhere, like the light of the sun that keeps shining even when there is no earth. When a person dies, the physical body stops functioning, but our subtle body and casual body transmigrate to another physical body eventually as per our karmas. Our karmas decide what kind of next birth we get, whether the body of a devata, human being, or an animal body. So, the learning is first we should always see Brahman in everyone. Each one is a manifestation of the divine presence. So let's treat every person with respect and not hate anyone. 2. We should never be afraid of death because the essential part of Atman never dies. We only change our bodies. Our karma decides the body in which we will take next birth. Therefore, instead of fearing death, we should care to improve our karmas as much as possible in this birth. Life should be a celebration, and so should death be. We should be mentally and physically prepared for it at any moment because we do not know when the clarion call will come. I have always realized one thing in life. The ego battle, the power play continues with the people who are living. But the moment we understand that the only certainty of life is uncertainty and death is inevitable, everything dissolves and we continue living our life happily. All that we can do is pray for the departed soul and request God that we have a peaceful and a glorious ending without troubling anyone or without any trouble to our own selves. Om Sai Ram. Regards, blessings, and love to all of you. Laxmi.